I'm Jen Phanomrat, New York-based chef and television host.
Hi, I'm Chef Gia, and I know a thing or two about cooking.
One of the culinary world's next rising stars is going to watch a recipe video and teach me how to make it.
Shred the cheese and mix it up with all the orange sauce, and there's also some yellow bread, then put butter on it. Is that the Incredibles?
I'm about to be the guest on her show as she takes over the outcome of a dish only she knows the recipe to.
Hi,
What's your name?
Gia. What's your name?
I'm Jen.
Hi, Jen.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Today we're gonna make something.
We're gonna make something. Do you like to cook a lot?
Yes. The first thing I ever made before was a cake.
A cake? What kind of cake?
It was a chocolate one.
Yum. I love chocolate cake.
Can you help me find something? Oh, I just found it. So we need 3 bowls.
We need 3 bowls.
Right here.
Do you need help carrying that?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, which bowl do you want to use first?
We need to use 3 little bowls.
Okay.
We need the little ones. Now we need some cheese. Up here.
This one?
This one?
Orange one?
Yeah. So we better get this out of the package. We're gonna need over here.
This grater.
And we're gonna have to have it on this little side.
Do you see the cheese coming out on the inside?
Yeah.
How much of this do we need? A little bit or a lot?
Okay, that's enough.
That's good.
I'll get the second thing we need.
Okay.
Yellow. Red and yellow.
Are we gonna color the cheese?
Yes.
Fun. And how many drops do we put?
Let's do 3.
Wow.
Okay.
I wonder what we're gonna do with this cheese.
We will see. We need butter
Butter.
and bread.
All right.
Yeah.
So, are we making a grilled cheese?
Maybe, or maybe not. I can't tell you. Let's get something to spread it with. I'll spread.
A spoon?
Yeah.
Cool. I like the way you make sandwiches.
Yeah. How about if we use our hands?
I love using my hands when I cook.
Now
what do you need?
It's really special.
What's that?
It's the Incredibles symbol.
Incredibles.
Now put it in the microwave.
In the microwave.
Right there.
Should we put it in here?
Yeah. How about 10 minutes?
10 minutes. Okay,
What do you want to do as we're waiting?
let's make a song about cheese. Ready? Cheese
Cheese
is so yummy. It makes me smile like the cheese. Cheesy, 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 cheesy. I'm cheesy. You're cheesy. We're cheesy. You're such a good
That's fun.
singer.
It looks like it's done.
It's done.
I love to cook with you.
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 I
And
love
you.
to-
And you. Should we look at the inside?
Whoa.
Whoa. So what do we make today?
We made the Mrs. Incredible grilled cheese.
The Mrs. Incredible grilled cheese. This is what they made in the video, and this is what we made.
Yes.
What do you think?
You did amazing.
I did.
You followed my instructions really good, and whatever I said to get, you get it.
So I'm a good student?
Yes.
Do I get an A+?
Yeah.
A++.
You get 100 A's.
That's all I ever wanted.
You want to stretch it? Whoa.
Whoa. Look at that. You know what?
It's just good.
That's pretty cheesy. Should we see the one we made?
Let's stretch it first.
Okay.
Whoa. It's not that stretchy.
What's it taste like?
It tastes better with
The one we made tastes better, doesn't it? You know why?
Right.
We put a lot of butter. It's still delicious.
Yeah.
This was so much fun, Gia.
Me too. I'm glad I like it though.
Yeah. You're like my kitchen BFF.
Me too. I'm back to this.
Back to this.
Yeah. Butter hands.
Butter hands.
Best
friends.
friends.